The Stone Cutter's Journey. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a stonecutter. Every day, he would chisel away at large rocks, turning them into beautiful statues. However, he often felt insignificant and wished for more power. One day, while working under the scorching sun, he thought, "How powerful the sun is. I wish I were the sun." To his astonishment, his wish was granted, and he became the sun. He shone brightly, scorching fields and making villagers seek shelter. He felt powerful. But soon, a cloud moved between him and the earth, blocking his rays. "How powerful this cloud is," he thought. "I wish I were the cloud." And so, he became the cloud, raining heavily and causing floods. He felt invincible. However, after some time, he realized that the wind could push him in any direction. "How powerful the wind is," he thought. "I wish I were the wind." And he became the wind, uprooting trees and destroying homes. Yet, he noticed that no matter how hard he blew, he couldn't move the massive rocks. "These rocks are even more powerful," he thought. "I wish I were a rock." And he became a rock, strong and unyielding. One day, he felt a sharp pain. He looked down and saw a stonecutter, chiseling away at him. He realized that the stonecutter, with his persistence and hard work, had a unique power that none of the elements possessed. The stonecutter wished to be himself again, and he was. From that day on, he understood that true power doesn't come from being the strongest or the most dominant but from persistence, hard work, and understanding one's unique role in the world. This story reminds us that everyone has their own strengths and that the power of persistence and hard work can overcome even the mightiest obstacles.